They're some of the most incredible explosions we've ever seen. Bombs laid deep within tunnels under Syrian cities erupt, wiping out everything in its path above ground. Large buildings and entire towns are leveled, leaving behind only a cloud of dust and rubble. Syrian rebels continue to step up their fight against the Assad regime, with large tunnel bombs targeting government and military bases. This explosion completely vaporized the Carlton Hotel in Aleppo, which was being used as a base for the Syrian government. The use of the tunnel bomb in guerrilla warfare isn't new, but the size of these explosions is, with some 60 tons of explosives used in this recent attack on a Syrian army base. With the Assad regime pressing on with regular airstrikes, it seems the rebels are taking their fight underground. This explosion completely wiping out a military building in Aleppo within seconds.